Masura say guys. DJ Django, Waripa Mike, DJ Django, Waripa Mike, Waripa Mike. Say guys, say. Today we are going to make a reggae beat. We are going to make reggae beat, guys. We are going to make reggae beat. So what you can do, the first thing what you can do, you can go there and you can check your tempo. You can check your tempo. Here you see, your tempo is on 79. It depends how you want to make. 79 until 85. Yeah, that is reggae. So tempo ilipa 1, ilipa 79. Saka unokwanisa kuisa 79 kusvika pa 85. That is your tempo of reggae, ne? So what you can do, you can go on your drum loops. If you have drum loops, you can go and drum your loops. That is this one. Here's the drum loops, what I'm talking to. Here's the drum loops, you see? That one. So if you have these drum loops, you can drag it from here to pattern. Yeah. So it's going to, you're going to put like this. You see? So, So, here's it. Here's the reggae beat that we want to make from 1 until I finish. I will show you. I'll show you what I do. I will show you. Here's it. Make sure you do subscribe. If it's your first time, please do subscribe, like and comment and share. Even if you want my number to teach you main thing about mastering, mixing, everything, you can contact me. Yes it. So let's start, guys. So you can take this, then you drag here until on your pattern. That is that one. You can drag here on the pattern. So it's that one. But make sure you check your tempo. Then you drag it here. You line it here. Your tempo must be 75 until 85. That is reggae. Yeah. You're gonna make 90, 100. It depends how you make. So you can do what you can do. But if you are still learning, just do 75 until 85. That is for reggae. If you are still learning, ne? But if you are professional, you can do what you can do. Even 150 you can do. Yeah. Okay, let's start. So you can see here's my pattern. Here's my pattern. Yes, it. That the first. Yes, it. So let me start. Yes, this. Yes, it. You see? Yes, it. You see? That is is. You see? Yeah, man. So that one, where can I get this thing? Is that here on purity? You just go on purity on this. Here's preset, mix a preset. Here's on preset. You just go on piano. Then first that one. The first one. More, yeah. The first one on the purity. It's just best for reggae. Then you can do something what you can do. But that one is for reggae. So we have this one also. That is making a swing. This one. To make it swing. You see? Here's it. Let me zoom. Here's it. You see? So that is swing. Then Tabata this one. You see? Remember we put that drum loop there by the pattern. You remember, yeah? So you remember we put that drum loops we put on the pattern. So next thing what you can do after this one and these ones, you can come here and put a melody. Yeah, it depends how you put. You come here, me I put melody, this melody. You see? That melody I put. You hear? Yes. Then again, so now we have this one, and this one. So the next thing I put this one. That is bell. You can go here by Purity on the preset. You can check on the bell and rap and piece. You can see that one. That is bell pad. This sound. Yes. That we have this one and this one. So that the melody. We check it on hypersonic on the strings. You can go on the strings. You can go here. On the strings, where is the strings? Here's it. You press here and you see the first one. That is the best, like melody. That is on pattern 1. So on pattern 1 we have this one and this one and melody and this one. After all of them we have this one. That is bass. But if you are using phone, you can't hear this bass. Please, you can put on the highest instrument or you can put headphones. Then you can hear what I'm saying. Yeah, kana mshanza mafoni terra pa maspika mahombe. Pose pa phone aurinzwi. Terra pa speaker hombe. Then kana my headphones. Yes. No tunzwe bass. Where can I find this bass? This bass is coming from what is that? It's Nexus. Yes, Nexus. You go to Nexus. If you open your Nexus, if you have plugins, you can go here by Nexus. You see there's bass. After that bass is called the BA basic triangle. That is the bass. Bass runs BA basic triangle. No bass ratio, guys. So that is pattern 1. We have this one. And this one. But if you don't have that Nexus, you can use many things. Many plugins have bass. Like DX10 is it's not external. DX10 is not external. Yes, you can use DX10 if you don't have this Nexus. Then you can copy this bass if you like this bass. This one. Okay. Next thing, you see, that is thing that we have here on first pattern. Okay, then we go to number 2. That is the pattern 2. We have same things but different bass only. That is different bass. You see, only different bass. That is for pattern 2. Why is different? Because if you check this one, see this one, that is the first one. That is for chorus. Then if you go on number 2, we have this one. It's for verses. Yeah. So is this only if you feel the bass only? You see? Yes. That is pattern 2. That is pattern 2. So pattern 3, we have the same things, but we just remove bass again. That is pattern 3. Then let me go pattern 4. Same pattern 4. Let me go pattern 5. That is pattern 5. We have the same thing. same thing. That is purity and melody and bell on purity. So those is three things. Just make polish it, makes nice. Gadzira uzite boga, guys. Then number six, I have only this one. That is marimba. It's coming from a citrus. That is citrus. You can check. That is citrus. See where you can get it. You can come here on citrus. You can come here. You can come here and check for you. Here's marimba. Here's it. You see, you come here by percussion on the citrus, then you can find it here. Marimba. Here's marimba on citrus. You see, you feel it. That is this one. See, that one. Ping. So that is marimba. So on the pattern 7, we have that one, another melody. Only we have this one also. You see? You see? That is melody again. You see? That is finished from pattern 1 until pattern 8. Let me feel the whole fucking beat. Then you just feel what I'm saying. Remember, we put this thing, that drum loops on the pattern. Eh? So I will show you how to lay it. You see? Here's it. So you drag the drum loops here. Yeah. You see? You drag it. Then you put it. So let me play all of them, those things. You hear? I hope you see nicely and properly. So clear. So here's it. That is that one. Do you feel this one? It's the crunch. That one. That one is crunch. And that is my take, this one. So can play. You see? So let me start the whole beat, then you see. It depends how you set your how you lay. You put here. You see? That is crunch. That is RD crunch. For change. Just drag and put here inside the patterns. You hear bass? Simple, guys. That is so simple. Simple and easy, guys. Simple and easy, guys. So simple, guys. Second verse, guys. Here's the second verse. Yeah. Here's it. So nice. So nice, so nice. Yes. So nice. Perfect. So if you are using a phone, you can't hear the bass, guys. Please using a big speakers or something like earphones or headphones. Yes. That makes you to feel everything that I do there. You see? Yes. Yes, so nice and pretty, guys. Well, make sure you do your things perfect. Yes. Yes. So sweet, guys. I don't know how you feel, guys. Tell me on the comment section how you feel, guys. Tell me on the comment section how you feel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys, please. How you feel? Tell me. Yes. If you want something like instrumental, any instrumental, just comment on my under the comment section. I'll see you and I'll make for you. Guys, that is so nice, guys. Yes, guys. Yes. Tell me what you thinking, what you feel, and how you feel on this beat, guys. Yes. And this beat is still in recording progress, guys. If you wanna sing on that beat, just tell me on comment section. I'll send to you. There's my WhatsApp number. I'll give you my WhatsApp number. Then I'll send you, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If you feel want to sing this beat, just tell me on the comment section. I'll send you free. Thank you very much, guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. Have a good day. Have a good night. Whatever. Where are you, guys? Thank you. Yes, Mr. Django Gomtare. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Please support me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like, guys. Thank you very much. Love you. Blessed.